Dear Travis, thank you for speaking with us today. This letter will confirm our agreement in the above referenced matter to extend defendants Mizkif and Mizkif Enterprises a deadline to answer or otherwise plead to June 1st, 2023. All that good stuff. But let's talk about it, right? Because we want to know, like, well, what can Mizkif do? Because he has an option. He can end this case right now if he wants. I don't think he will, but I think he should. But I'm not his lawyer. This is not legal advice. You think he's gonna be like, I am not listening to Henry, guys. He showed the messages where I told him not to talk about it. You think I'm gonna take advice from him? Nope. Clarify. Do you want your name redacted or me not to post a complaint? He took the bait because at this point, I know it's not about the name. It's about the complaint. And the name is just the motive for getting it out. No, not to talk about it. So my parents are safe. So anywho, here we go right here. None of these other people have been served. Maya Higa, unserved. How did she not get served? She on that farm. She like, I ain't coming off this farm or wherever she at. Crazy Slick, OTK, they've not been served. But Mizkif has been served and he can actually be a hero. You like hero? Yes, hero. He can be a hero. How can Mizkif be a hero, guys? Here, let's put his picture up. He could stop the case right now. He got 2 options. He got 3 options, right? He got 3 options. And we can go over his 3 options. You like, Henry, you're not a lawyer. How do you know this? I'm like, well, maybe I don't. Maybe I don't know it. Maybe I'm just blowing horse crap up y'all booty. Or maybe I'm not. Or maybe I actually know what he could do. All right, so let me share this screen right here. So we have option 1. He could just respond and for himself only. Okay? And say, hey, I never said anything. We can go to trial. That's option 1. That's the, every man for themselves, even though he is part owner of OTK. This is the option I would not go for. Okay? I would not take option 1 where he just responds for himself and his business only. He been rotten for Slick. He needs to go option 2. Option 2 is he responds for everyone. Okay. Let me make this a little smaller. Option 2, respond for everyone. We're going to make this, let's just say 40. For everyone with a settlement. Just cut all the bull crap. You say, look, I've been riding for Crazy Slick. Maya Higa's my ex. I'm part owner in OTK. I have the most amount of money out of all these people, with the exception of OTK. And this is a hero role. This is a hero. Okay? This is how you be the hero. Hero. You respond with a settlement. You settle before your deadline and have her withdraw the case. And what's the settlement going to look like? It's going to look like some money plus, right? Plus, hold on, NDA, as in you can never talk about me, Maya Higa. I know Maya Higa. We are all Maya Higas. Where Maya Higas at? Crazy Slick or OTK ever in your life. Okay? This is the option I probably would take, even if he's innocent. I'm in a lawsuit. I'm right with Mizkif in a different lawsuit facing the same thing. And you like, but you don't really care. I'm like, look, man, I'll be honest with you guys. I'm offering my wife a lot of money. Okay. And why am I offering her a lot of money? To keep it from going to litigation. Because, I mean, now if it go to litigation, it's a chance she may not get all the money that I'm offering her. But if it go to litigation, there's a set cost that's going to cost me to litigate my divorce. So instead of just, let's say, going to trial, I'm like, hey, here, you got it. Here's the money for trial. Here's a little extra. Let's just nip this thing in the bud. That's my strategy. Will it work? Because she can always say no. Adrianah could say, no, I don't want your money. I want to see all these mofos in court. I want my day. I want justice. And $2 million. Because chances are he's not going to offer her $2 million. Just saying. Now, option 3. Now, this is the option he's probably going to take. Option 3. And this is this could be the advice his lawyer is giving him. I don't know. I'm not inside the camp. Motion to dismiss. This is motion to dismiss or remove him from lawsuit. Throw Crazy Slick and Maya Higa under the bus. She's like, look, OTK ain't say nothing. Mizkif Enterprises ain't say nothing. I ain't say nothing. Remove us from the lawsuit, and you go after Maya Higa and Crazy Slick. That is, I wouldn't do it, but if it's his life, it's his choice. So here, let's go back over to 3 options. Let me spell this right. Let's go back over to 3 options. Okay, so he said he has till June 1st to response. Option 1, respond for himself only, move forward with the lawsuit. Okay, that's option 1. Option 2, this is the hero. Respond for everyone, okay, with a settlement in an NDA. This is hero mode. I promise you, hero mode. All right. And look, just because you settle doesn't mean you're guilty. It just means you don't want to waste time. It costs a lot of money to litigate these goddamn lawsuits, and they can go on for a while. Trust me, I'm speaking from experience. I've even had one professionally where we had to sue a company that shit went on for almost 3 years. I kid you not. Actually, yeah, it went on for like 3 years. Kid you not. When guess what? They eventually settled. I'm like, why did y'all just settle in the first place? Like, well, we had to take our chances. All right, whatever. All right. And option 3, motion to dismiss and remove lawsuit. This is the worst option because this is I don't know. This probably won't get granted. I doubt the judge is gonna be like, okay, well, Mizkif want to be off the lawsuit. We'll remove him. Anyway, so what do you guys think? That was the motion 11 agreement. I could put it back on the screen right here, or he has till June 1st, 2023 to respond. And that's it. What would you guys do if y'all were Mizkif?